Here's Lily and Molly filling up the little baby pool. I guess we need a bigger one next time, don't we? What do you think, Molly?
Oh, I think it's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And there's Oscar way over there.
Molly, you have to make sure that Oscar doesn't get in the water. You have to make sure.
Oh, Oscar's. Yeah, Oscar found a spot. Bad time to check on how the zoom works, huh?
Pull him, get pull him.
It's okay.
Get pull him. I think he's thirsty.
Is it full yet?
Yep, it's full.
No, we gotta keep going. What do you think, Molly? You like it?
Oscar, no!
Oscar, get out of there. You can't jump up on there because he might pop it. He's okay, Molly. We'll just tell him no, okay? There's the big grassy spot that I filled in. Sooner or later, that'll be grass. Way to go, Molly. All right, Lily. I'm going to show you how to videotape. You got to hold this. Hold it with your right hand like this. Don't touch any buttons, and just point it at what you want to see. So you can point it at me or Molly.
Molly, what do you like doing? What do you like doing T-ball? Molly, look at me. Do you like throwing it? Yeah. Okay. Molly? Wait! Oh, Molly, can we go in?
Huh?
Can we go in?
Video camera to see if you can see it shooting.
Yep, I can see it too. Molly, so this is how you hold it. Can you see this? Okay. And you want to... I like swimming boats. Why? Molly, look at me.
Really? Grab the camera from her. Grab it from her. Go touch her leg. And run through the sprinkler with it. Oscar, get down. It's waterproof. Yeah. Show me what it looks like when you look. Here, put it right here. Run through the water. You can get the camera wet. Alright, just give it back to me, please.
Okay. Oh, it's my point.